Okay, Phil from PT Precision Automotive again. Got a new customer in today that's doing a service, a few other bits and pieces. Said that the tune needs doing in the car, and he said, oh, can you have a look at it? It's been hard to start. And I went, oh, right, okay. He says it cranks 2 or 3 times and then it will start. He said it sounds like the fuel pump priming. I said, oh, I better do a fuel pump test before I pull the, it's an in-tank fuel filter in here, so we're going to pull the module and everything out of the tank. So before doing that, I thought I'd do a pump test just to see if it's holding pressure. There's a fuel pressure regulator in here, so it should hold it around the 200 psi or something to hold it up overnight. So when you start the car, it instantly starts, not cranked. So watch what happens here. Yeah, it takes some time to build up and then it starts. And I switch that off and you'll see that fuel pressure drops off, stuffed. So something is wrong in, well, there's a fuel pressure regulator that's not holding. So we're pulling that out, we'll bench test it as well, and then we'll try and find what's going on. Yeah. Okay, we've got the problem. It's pissing out. Yeah? Thing's broken. That's why it's not holding pressure. Yeah? Okay.
Bye-bye.
Okay, so this is running now. Yeah, you can have a look in here. Look. Okay, that's all good. It's running, no pressure loss. Got pressure here and holding. Yeah? Spot on. That's fixed. It's not leaking out of there. We found this fuel, the module was leaking. We've put a new fuel filter and all that in there, assembly in there. So what we found was the actual plastic had unclipped and was on like a big angle, so it was leaking out of the O-ring. We've actually fitted an extra hose clamp into this just to keep it tight on there, yeah? So that won't ever come off again, and it's got a new fuel filter on it. Anyway, it needed it done. It was 95,000 Ks, and these are due at 90,000 Ks anyway. So it had the genuine fuel filter in it. So that was, it unclipped on from here. So killed 2 birds with 1 stone on that one, which is good. That'll sort the problem out of starting. Yeah, excellent.